Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to link your Amazon Prime Visa card to your Uber account. If you're an Amazon Prime member, this is a smart move because it lets you earn rewards on every Uber ride, turning your daily commutes into bonus points for shopping, streaming, and more. Whether you're heading to work or grabbing dinner, linking your cards can save you money in the long run. Let's get started. It's simpler than you think. First off, make sure you have your Amazon Prime Visa card details ready. You'll need your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Also, ensure you're logged into your Uber app on your smartphone. This process works best on mobile. Step 1. Open the Uber app and tap on the menu icon, usually found in the top left or right corner. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Step 2. Scroll down and select Wallet or Payment from the menu. This is where all your payment methods are managed. Step 3. Look for the option to Add Payment Method or Add a Card. Tap on that to bring up the form. Step 4. Enter your Amazon Prime Visa details carefully. Select Visa as the card type, input your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Uber might ask for your billing zip code for verification. Double check that it's correct. Step 5. Once you've filled everything out, hit Save or Add Card. Uber will typically verify the card with a small temporary hold, which gets refunded quickly. Step 6. After verification, your card should now be linked. You can set it as your default payment method if you prefer. That's it. You're all set to start earning those rewards on your next ride. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like the card not linking, check that your Amazon Prime Visa is active and contact Uber support for help. This hack not only streamlines your payments but also maximizes your rewards. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what other tutorials you'd like to see.